your nightly dose of calm in a cup. Our easy-to-use unflavored powder drink mix supports healthy magnesium levels while delivering a calm experience you can truly feel. Formulated with both magnesium carbonate and magnesium glycinate, our powder is an ideal choice for those seeking to balance and relax the mind and body. And there's even more to love with this mix, thanks to the addition of L-Theanine, a powerful amino acid that enhances the soothing effects of magnesium by promoting mental relaxation and reducing stress without sedation, allowing you to unwind naturally and wake up refreshed.